Let's talk about what's going on here with the weather here. Mother Nature gone a little crazy here, giving us this cold snap and that. Well, we had some snow and ice yesterday, but now things are looking better as far as the snow being out of the picture. Not good in terms of the temperatures, the wind. That makes it for a miserable start on this Wednesday. Happy hump day, everybody, but you got to be careful stepping outside. Even though most of what would be the weather hazards have moved on out of the picture, we still have hazards because it's now cold and icy, and that's not going away anytime soon. So we've got a bitter cold start with some patchy ice hazards around the tri-state region. There's another chance of snow coming back at us in just 2 days, but that cold weather wants to stick around probably until we get into the next work week is what it looks like. So yeah, it's going to be tough to break that freezing point. We've got 20 right now, Central Park, 18 degrees in White Plains, 15 degrees in Poughkeepsie. The winds are also coming across, still a decent wind coming through at around 10 to 25 miles per hour, and that makes it feel colder. Wind chill factors down into the single digits for most of us. It feels like 10 in Newark, but feels like 7 in Islip and 3 degrees only in White Plains. So things are actually looking pretty quiet now that the storm has moved on. It wasn't a massively strong storm with a lot of moisture or snow. We only got about 1 to 3 inches of snow on average out of that one. So now we wait for what's next. And there's going to be another one coming across from the Rockies, from the western side of the country, and it'll eventually get to us. The temperatures, as you can see, we weren't the only ones with that cold weather out there. Look at this cold air all the way down to Memphis. They're at 3 degrees right now. That's their actual temperature. New Orleans, just a little bit warmer than we are. New Orleans sitting at 27. Atlanta is colder than what we have here. So there's a lot of cold air across the country, and that's why most of us are in that cold snap. Now let's go through the futurecast, roll it forward. High pressure keeps us dry with that cold Arctic air on top of us today into tomorrow. Here comes that next storm. It looks like by late Thursday night into Friday morning, the first of the snow chances are coming back to us here in the tri-state. Looks like we could get an okay hit as it comes on by. The position of that area of low pressure is to the south of us, so we are pulling in more cold air, so it looks like we'll get more snow out of it as opposed to that wintry mix, but it doesn't stick around for too long, so we're only getting around 1 to 3, maybe 4 inches of snow, and that's coming through on Friday mostly. Icy conditions possible for you today, and that's because it's just basically the leftovers from the storm that came on by. Then we'll wait for the next storm. That's Friday with that, again, a minor snow hit, but still that has impacts around the tri-state. Try to get around. No help with the temps till we get to Monday.